What's up, Buttercups? How are you guys doing on this magnificently golden morning? I have a plate of, I wanted to say a cup of pizza. I have a plate of pizza in my hand, and I'm using the 370Z. I'm driving for like 50 miles or so to go check out a, what's it called? A car. So on the way we'll talk. So yeah, let's head there because I'm like 30 minutes late as usual. Oh yeah, loud as ever. But you're not gonna be the only loud car very soon. Okay, so here's the I've been looking for a Toyota Celica GT 1970 to 1977 or 1972 to 1977, the first gen. Because recently I've just got a hankering for it. That sounds like such a southern word, but I've just fallen in love with the way it looks and just the amount of stuff you can do to it. Put like a lot of stuff. It's gonna look so good when I'm done. But anyway,
this is the car in question. It has the original 20R motor in it, and it supposedly runs or ran a while ago. But yeah, the interior is interesting. Let's see what's rich apart. The trunk isn't there, but he said he can get the trunk, and the fuel tank is disconnected. So yeah, and it has a 5-speed manual transmission, so it doesn't look too bad. Yeah, the paint is faded a little bit. There's rust there, but yeah, golden project car.
So what happened was I was looking online as usual for like ever yesterday, and I found this interesting looking Celica. It's like faded, the paint is faded. The engine runs or used to run, but now it doesn't run. And so it's gonna need some touches and all that stuff. But I'm thinking of swapping the engine. I'm thinking of leaving it stock. And so that is going through my mind right now of what to swap it with. Maybe an LS, maybe a Beams motor, maybe a, what's it called? And a 1UZ. So there's a lot of choices that I could go with. But for now, it's just completely stock right now. And they've done a little bit of work to it and tweaking here and there. So I don't know if I'm still swapping out the motor or if I'm keeping it the way it is. But I'm gonna need to trailer the car because it apparently needs a carburetor adjustment. Hopefully, it's not a really terrible thing. But yeah, let's see what happens. This is very terrifying, but yeah, let's do this. I'm putting a $500 deposit down so he can hold the car for me while I figure some stuff out and like figure out a trailer and all that. But I'm gonna come here, trailer it. And I was not supposed to buy this car, but it happened. So right now I'm gonna be having my 370Z, my Mercedes CLK 55 AMG, and the Celica. So this is an interesting combination, but let's do this. I'm excited. Oh my God, it's gonna need so much work. The interior looks terrible, but most of it is all original. That's what I like about it, because I've looked for this car forever. Literally, I'm almost begging a guy so I could buy the car from him. I was almost begging another guy that I could buy, so I could buy the car from him, and he hasn't budged or anything. Like I messaged this guy, but he didn't reply to me. So I'm going with this option. I was initially looking for a GT liftback, which is gonna look so good in the garage. Like, oh my God, it's gonna look so good. But anyhow, I didn't find that. But these Celicas still look good, so that's fine. Just got the glorious cash. Time to count it and then go give the guy the cash. Hopefully he holds it for me. And next week I'll be picking the car up. That's pretty much it, guys. This was like a PSA initially. This was supposed to be a PSA video of, oh, if anyone knows anyone with a Celica or Celica for sale, they should let me know. But I guess I might be buying this one. This is terrible. I'm horrible at these deals.